Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Mecad Minute. I'm today going to show you how to make use of the SOLIDWORKS CAM add-in. Now, first you want to do is you want to go to Options, Add-ins, and then turn the CAM add-in on. Just want to tick this box here. You'll see you get a bunch of toolbars here. You're going to start with the leftmost one. This is the CAM feature tool. And then up here, you're going to select SOLIDWORKS CAM, and these are the options you have available to you. Now, firstly, you're going to set up your machine and your stock, and then a coordinate system. So everything works from left to right. Then I'm just going to specify a coordinate system on the bottom corner here. So you'll see it's right there. Just going to say OK, and I'm going to extract machinable features. Now, this is going to showcase me the features it's machining. But I can see it's not machining the outside edges. So what I want to do is I want to manually create machining for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new mill setup. So I'm selecting the front plane as the orientation for the machining. You'll see this arrow is pointing from that side. I actually want it to be machined from this side. So I'm just going to flip that around. And for the operation, I'm going to use an open pocket for the perimeter. I'm going to use a rough finish strategy. Select OK. Once you have all your operations set up, you can then generate the operation plan. And you'll see it switch to the operation tree here. So we can see here it's using a TO5 20-bit to machine a lot of these features. And you can go and change these if you need to. I'm just going to generate my toolpath. I'm happy with everything here. And then if I go to Simulate Toolpath, you'll see here it actually shows me how it's machining this. And if we have let this finish, we'll see it's machining all of the pieces we need. And the unmachined sections are usually shown in blue, and blue and green. So yes, this is how you can make use of SOLIDWORKS CAM. There's several additional features here. You can manually define the features, the tools, path, and everything it takes. But I encourage you to play around with this and make use of SOLIDWORKS CAM, which is included with every SOLIDWORKS standard and up currently on subscription. Thank you.